In this quick video, I will show you how to mask in Premiere Pro. So to add mask, firstly we need to select our layer. Then we can simply go to this effect panel. If you don't see it, then you can enable it from window, and then we can simply click on this effects tab. Then we will be able to see effects panel. After that we have to click on video effects. Multiple effects are here. If I want to take this blur effect, then I can simply take this and drag and drop on our clip, and you can see our blur effect has been applied, but it is not visible. To make it visible, we have to click on effects control. Again, if you don't see it, you can enable it from window panel, and here you can see an option called effects control. We have to click on this, and then we can simply add the Gaussian blurriness from here, and you can see our whole clip is now blurred. But suppose I want to blur her face only, then I just need to create mask around her face and then drag it. For that I can simply use these tools to create mask. Three tools are here: ellipse mask, polygon mask, and this pen tool is also here. I can simply use this pen tool for precise masking. You can see this is how I can mask. We just need to simply click on our mouse, left click we have to press, and then we can simply use pen tool. But this face is ellipse, that's why I will use ellipse mask. I will simply delete this mask for now, and I can simply create new mask by simply clicking on it. We just need to hold left button on our mouse, and then we can simply drag this mask on our subject. After that we can simply reduce the size of mask or increase the size of mask by holding shift on our keyboard, and we can simply reduce or increase the size of our mask. You can see this is how we can adjust the size of our mask. After that we can also use these corners to align the mask on our subject, and you can see our mask has been aligned, but you can see the mask is not moving according to our subject. To move it according to our subject, firstly we need to place our playhead on the first frame. Then we need to readjust the position of mask by simply holding shift on our keyboard, and we can simply drag it onto our subject face. I just need to make it slightly bigger, and there you go, our mask has been placed on our subject. After that we have to track the mask. For that we can simply go on our mask section. After that we have to click on this forward button to track our mask. But before that, simply click on this icon and then tick on this preview button to see the mask while tracking. After that we have to simply click on this forward button, and then our tracking will be started. Once your tracking is done, you can see our mask has been placed on this lady's face, but you can see there are still some errors. We can simply fix it by taking this mask, hold shift on our keyboard, and again click on forward button to restart our tracking, and then our error will be fixed. I have shown you an example of blur mask, but if you want to use mask for other purpose, you can simply use that as well. For that I can simply create an opacity mask. I will show you an example. I just need to simply make an copy of our clip, and then we can simply select our top clip, and then we can simply add an opacity mask. I will simply reduce the size of mask by holding shift on our keyboard. After that you can adjust any settings of your mask from this panel, which is effects control, and you can adjust the blend mode from here. I will simply make it multiply, and you can see our mask is applied on her face only because I have made an copy of our first clip. So this is how you can add mask in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.